Human beings are species of social nature, living together forming groupings. The lonely individual in primitive times could not continue life because of harsh environment. Human beings began to aggregate for more efficient survival from natural environment. Their aggregates were developed to be more sophisticated, complex form of government. It is by intuition true that we as human beings should live together. The more of this, we need to say we need to help other people while we are alive and living life. The philosophical debate around altruism is stemmed upon this topic, which is an important topic for anyone who are interested in social aspects of human life. The humanistic point of view, altruism is matter of philosophy and psychology. It is why legitimate and normative for any individuals. Human beings are basically biological creatures who had desire to continue their body mechanism and at some rate selfish nature in this survival issue. So, there is theory that describes this nature. Mechanical theory focuses on this. The humanistic point of view, by contrast, the evolution of human species are towards social living with other members of society. We realize the social living is vital, and when we do not want to collide with people, we need to aggregate in groupings, respectable living if recommended. As an example, dad who has to help their children, why the dads are working hard to foster the family life. Why Catholic fathers lead out volunteer work with followers. The animals, such as dogs too, behave according to certain virtuous rule they learned from owners. There would be some nature of virtuous life even in biological effect. For example, prefrontal cortex of human beings are evolutionized as central part of biology that arises empathy to other members of society. Human beings have consciousness of something. The consciousness is directing from in to external or from external into in. The consciousness of human beings is certainly it is reflective, the ability to discern their own behaviors and its meanings within reason. The species of Homo sapiens have wisdom to live like this way of reasoning. The altruism is standing on somewhere in this wisdom. The philosophy and psychology research this topic very deep and systematic. Altruism is to reduce others' pain and inferiority to makes happiness and superiority. The heartful mind, ethically autonomical conditions of human beings, is so important topic to maintain. Why human beings should help others with living together. This book, 왜 인간은 남을 도우며 살아야 하는가, is philosophical exploration why this is the case. Professor Bagimun, the author of this book, is most revered and prolific writers about literature and philosophy, having both degrees in French literature and philosophy PhD degree. He is known as one of the great scholars in our parents' generation, born 1930. His education of ethical issue is not read as perils, calm and reasonable advices are very good strength of this book. Please read this book if you want to explore the altruistic topic in Korean language. Clearly written book.